2024 is almost over, and I'm going to show you how you can easily get this Thanks 2024 Add Your Story Chain template. It's a great way to showcase your most memorable moments from 2024, and I'm going to show you how you can get this. And before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more helpful tutorials like this one. Let's open the Instagram application on our device and then navigate over to this specific Instagram profile. It's called Add Your Stickers by Estrida, and I'm going to make sure to leave the profile link in the description of this video so you can easily find it. Now from here, we'll want to navigate over to this 2024 story highlight, and then go through these stories until you find the Thank You 2024 sticker. Here it is for me, so I'll tap here. And then I'm going to make this photo collage with 4 photos where I'll showcase my most memorable moments from this year. Tell me in the comments down below what your favorite moment from 2024 was, and I'll see you in the next year.